को अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हम पहुंच गए हैं सुमैया's house. My skin is still peeling. Day 11. Not allowed to use any makeup or anything, but I usually don't use too much makeup. About my teeth look really nice, but I think it's a little bit long because loads of you, no loads of you, few of you DM me and say that Mama, if it's you got a little bit lisped, so she gonna foil it tomorrow because you know when they did bonding they add a little bit and I think it's a little bit long, so that's why she gonna fix it. So I feel a little bit strange. Anyway, Nafi's here and a beautiful girl is here. Look at my beautiful girl. Oh my god, she's so beautiful, mashallah.
I'll go and say something negative now, Amma.
Huh?
Obviously, say something negative, can I?
Why?
Because you
Why?
Because you're the biggest troll there is.
Is it?
Yeah.
So she's so beautiful, but she's beautiful.
Okay.
Mama, you beautiful.
Oh, thank you very much.
Your mama is beautiful. What about you? Is Nafia beautiful or me?
I don't know.
Oh, come on, Yusuf. Come on, Yusuf.
I don't know.
Okay, me and mama. Me and mama. Say it. Okay, Harimu, me and mama. Which one is beautiful?
Mashallah.
Come on, tell me. Harimu, tell me. Me and mama. Tell me the truth. Which one is beautiful? Sumo and Mama and Ella, three of them is beautiful. She is such a diplomatic person, isn't Emily, Nafia? Okay. So, guys, we are going to Dr. Amna's father dua. And then you know what? Let me tell you something. So, all the time people say that I did a Botox and I did this and I never did it. So I say, let me do some Botox. People already think that I did a Botox. So I got this line, okay? And I'm gonna have a little Botox here to get rid of this line. So the one who always say I did Botox and I did filler, get happy. I'm doing it today.
The first one as well. You're going to say that in every single one of them.
Wow.
You said the other one as well.
Wow.
In the other the video that you were coming,
Yeah.
you said the same thing.
So what?
So why do you say one thing about 100 times? I hate that. Even Iqbal does that.
I love to share again and again and again with my YouTube family. You got problem?
No problem.
Oh?
I'm very good. Very good.
Yeah, then that's it. Then shut your mouth.
Oh no!
Look, my teeth. It's too long. My teeth is too long. I don't know. My teeth is too long. But you know why? Like I was watching my old video, like with my teeth without bonding, and my teeth are long. So bless her, she just add bonding and it's too shiny and it's also feel a little bit more long. So I'm gonna go tomorrow, day after tomorrow, to fix it, to get rid of a little bit, because I don't feel myself. इन पांचों को देखो, नहीं चारों को, ये क्या हो रहा है?
Mom, I just show you teeth. Me too.
What do you want to show them?
I want to show you something disgusting.
Why you show children disgusting stuff then?
You did this way.
I show you my finger, you ask for it.
Wait, what?
So ये पूछ रहे थे कि ये मेरी उंगली क्यों ऐसे नेल चला गया, तो मैंने इनको दिखाया कि हज में, मैं आप लोगों को भी दिखाऊं, हज में एक आदमी मेरे स्टेप कर गया और ये मेरी उंगली ऐसे हो गई थी. हज जब मैं उम्रे पे गई थी तो ये बुरा हाल हो गया था। ये देखिए ये ऐसे बुरा कर दिया था पूरा एक मोटा सारा, मेरे से भी ज्यादा मोटा आदमी था, मेरे उंगली के ऊपर चढ़ गया था।
No, that was when I was in hospital.
What happened? Show me. हाय खलको, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई होप आप सब ठीक होंगे। मैं बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं हूँ। My account is hacked. My Instagram account, Sabiha Ara Khan. Maybe loads of you follow me on my Instagram account. Is hacked. Hacked by either from a person from Pakistan or India.
Mum has already spoken to you, hasn't she?
Because they hacked my account, and then because in my Instagram was my phone number was there in my Instagram, so they WhatsApp me and they say that oh, we hack your account, pay us £600, and they will keep calling me sir. So you know who call you sir? And they send me voice messages as well, and they say that give us £600 so we will give you your account back.
What do you call it?
Look at her.
I don't know what to do. You have to eat your thingy.
I had 50,000 followers on my Instagram account.
So if I
The stupid man hacked me for no reason. So man or woman or whatever, they hacked me. Malik Nafia, come here, Kanaman. You know what? I can't even talk. I'm that much hurt. Like why you want to hack my account? Like what is? And then you know they were trying to hack my mama welfare Instagram as well. But thanks God, I received the email and I quickly say no, and quickly change the number and everything. And then he come, Besharam insan, he come on my mama welfare Instagram DM and he say, why you blocked me on your WhatsApp? Unblocked me please, I'm a Muslim, I want to talk about your account. You want your account back or no? I say no, I don't want my account back, keep it with you. I say don't need my account. If you happy, you want to keep my account, keep my account. So आपको उर्दू में भी बता दूं कि मेरा इंस्टाग्राम का अकाउंट हैक हो गया है, जो कि सबिया आरा खान था। आप में से बहुत लोग मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे फॉलो करते हैं। मुझे नहीं पता कि अब ये अकाउंट मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, पर मैंने नया अकाउंट बना लिया है मम्मा का मसाला इंस्टाग्राम पे। अगर आप लोग चाहें तो उसको फॉलो कर लें। और मुझे मेरे 50,000 फॉलोवर बैक चाहिए, इसलिए नहीं कि बिग नंबर हो मेरे पास, इसलिए कि वो सब मेरे जेन्युइन फॉलोवर थे और सब मेरे साथ कनेक्टेड थे, मेरी चैरिटी में, मेरे पर्सनल लाइफ में, मैं लाइव जाके उनके साथ अपनी थॉट, अपने गम, अपने दुख, अपनी खुशी शेयर करती थी। And I'm so upset. I'm very upset. Oh, I'm really upset, honestly.
It's a lot of hard work. You
I
build a
opened this
community.
Instagram account in 2019 when my accident happened, and
And
then
it helped. It helped. to
it
get
helped
through
me with my
the anxiety,
depression, my accident, my illness. I was like 2 years in and out from hospital, and all of my 50,000 followers become my family, and they were like helping me so much.
It wasn't about the quantity, it was about the quality of like each
And like
person.
each day I wake up with hundreds of DM. They tell me how I run my YouTube, what to do, what they want. They like guide me. And now that thing is missing. So I'm very, very, very upset. But you know, Nafia made me another account, which only like 1 hour now. Nafia made me the account Mama Ka Masala on Instagram. And in 40 minutes, nearly 1,500 or something follow me, but still, like, I'm still thinking that okay, my follower will searching for my account, and literally when you search Sabiha Khan, it say we can't find that person.
It's just sad, man. It's sad, you know, and the fact is Instagram doesn't really help. So somebody was telling me as well that for Riyal Maktoum, Amir Khan, the boxer's wife, so she had her account hacked and she's lost it as well. But then she made another account and she's passed her following in the other account. So I'm just telling Mum, inshallah, I don't think she's worried about the followers. I think it's mainly because firstly there's a lot of hard work that goes into it.
Really hard.
Like, especially for Mum, making one post, and it was the cooking posts.
It was like loads of, like more than 50-60 posts was viral.
Yeah.
And it was like, I call that virus, it was like watched by nearly million.
Yeah, and the thing is, she is a content creator, you know, whatever. Even though she does it as a hobby, it hurts more as well because you take so much time into it, and because it was a community for Mama, you know. Whenever she used to be sad,
mostly like family.
Yeah, whenever she used to be sad, she used to go on Instagram. Yeah. Whatever it was, it used to be
like maybe 2 a.m. I can't go to sleep. I just go live on Instagram.
And she always called these people her family. So
I always tell Nafia, I say, from TikTok I can receive negative comment, from YouTube I can receive negative comment, but from Instagram, like my 50,000 followers.
No, I think YouTube is good as well.
But no,
you guys are really good as well.
YouTube is amazing, but 1 or 2 comment bad one come. But you know what? यानी Instagram से मुझे सिर्फ love, respect और मुझे बहुत कुछ उनसे मिला, और अभी मैं इतनी अपसेट हूँ. पापा was upset as well, see me upset, क्योंकि अभी खान को बताया, वो उसने कहा, उसने फादर डे था, बच्चों ने कॉल किया था इस टाइम पे, सारे बच्चे अपने अपने घर से ऑनलाइन थे, तो सब मेरे लिए खफा हो रहे थे.
We'd all, you know, Mama's told Siddiq as well, so inshallah Siddiq will post it up as well, and Malia will post it up as well.
I don't know about Siddiq posting or thing, but he say he gonna email, he gonna try his best to you know.
Yeah, but so far me and
account
Sumaya have been trying our best.
But Sumaya and Nafia was that upset that they don't want to eat food, and Saad, you know what can I say about Saad? So he is one of my in-law who really consider me as a mother, and he said that take that card, this is the crypto card, because he asked, this hacker asked me, I was like talking to him, I say, how you want money? I was not paying him a penny, but I want to know, and I want to screen record, and I say I'm gonna give it to, obviously I'm gonna give it to police. So I say, how you want money?
Police can't do anything.
He said police can't do anything, and then he say Instagram can't do anything. I'm the only person give you account, but just give me £600. And I say, okay, how you want that money? He say, you got crypto account. And I say, oh, okay.
It's just a sad thing. So and those videos are never gonna come back, you know, unless Mama by Allah's grace, inshallah, gets the account. Who knows? Allah, just pray that Mama she gets the account, and if not, pray that Allah gives Mama so many, like all of you come back from her old page. Assalamu alaikum.
Hi khalku, assalamu alaikum. After hacking my Instagram, I didn't take the camera out, so I was posting the video I edited before. Alhamdulillah, I'm sorted. Yesterday my account is hacked, and by today, after 24 hours, I feel okay. I'm not that.
Now we are gonna do it even more, innit?
Better.
We're gonna inshallah push the content even more, inshallah. So we've got new ideas, and inshallah you'd see a different side of Mama if you're following her on Instagram. You'll see the side, so Mama, there's a lot of layers to Mum, as you lot know. Cleaning is one of her passions. So she will let you know of tips and tricks and all that stuff of how to keep your house clean, especially when you're like a new bride or like you got a new house, or you're a student and you got a new flat and all that stuff. So she'll give you that. A lot of different things. She's sleeping right now. Okay.